Hello friends, today we will be discussing a topic that is consignment, how the consignment commission is paid. See, first we will understand what is consignment. See, here there is a consignor who is residing or who is doing the business in Delhi. The business is in Delhi, but he wanted to sell the goods in some other parts of the country. Maybe take the example in Mumbai or Maharashtra. He wants to sell the goods in the Maharashtra. So what he will do, this person, the Delhi trader, will send the goods to the trader who is in Maharashtra for the sale in local market of the Maharashtra. So what he is doing, the consignor who is doing the business in Delhi, he is sending the goods. He is sending, not selling, sending. He is sending the goods. He is sending the goods to the consignor who is residing or who is doing the business in Maharashtra. This consignee will sell the goods in the local market, that is in the Maharashtra. So this process is called the consignment. See what is happening here. The person who is doing the business in Delhi is sending the goods, not selling, sending the goods to the consignee who is residing or doing the business in Maharashtra. This Maharashtra trader is selling the goods in the local market of the Maharashtra. This process is called the consignment. So here this is the sending the goods, but here this is the selling the goods. Are you understanding? See, here he is sending the goods, but this consignee is selling the goods to the customer who is residing in the local market, right? Local market of Maharashtra. So this process is called the consignment. So what is happening here? The consignor who is sending the goods, he will say, he is sending the goods to this person and this person is selling the goods to this person. But what is the benefit which is available to the consignee? What is the benefit? The benefit given to him is the commission. He is only entitled for the commission. Consignee is only entitled for the commission. Means I didn't understand what you are trying to say. I'll tell you. See, this consignor is sending the goods to the consignee. From this place, these goods will be sent to the customer who is residing in the local market. Means who is the local customer. He will sell the goods to the local customer. This customer will pay the amount to this consignor. So, we will give the names. Take the example, this person Mr. A, this person Mr. B, and customer is Mr. C. Goods have been taken by customer Mr. C from consignee Mr. B. So the payment will be made to the consignee. Take the example, amount is 1 lakh rupee. 1 lakh rupee will be paid by Mr. C to Mr. B. He is a consignee. But the goods are not belongs to him. The goods have been taken from the consignor. So consignor is the actual owner. When you are transferring the goods from the consignor to consignee, the ownership of the goods will remain with the consignor, not with the consignee, who is only having the goods with him to sell the goods in the local market. That's it. But he is not the owner of the goods. When the goods are sold to the customer, directly the ownership will be transferred from the consignor to the customer. This is called the consignment. See what is happening here. Take the example, we will take laptop. The customer C is purchasing the laptop from Mr. B, the consignee. So 1 lakh rupee will be paid to the consignee. So what he will do? He will keep his commission. What is commission we will see. But he will keep his commission. Remaining amount, remittance after commission, will be paid to the consignor. So that is called the consignment process. Now what is the commission we will see. First commission is a normal one. Normal commission. Normal commission. What is a normal commission? See, this consignor while sending the goods, he said that the value of the invoice value of the goods is 1 lakh rupee. Take the example. So he said normal commission is 5%. 5% on what? On invoice price. So commission is paid. Commission 5% on total sales. On total sales. What does it mean on total sales? It can be a credit sale, it can be a cash sale. On both sales, the consignee is entitled for the commission. So that is a 5%. Take the example, 1 lakh rupee is the total invoice price which is sold by the consignee. So commission entitled commission is, I can say 5% on sales, total sales. So that is 5% on 1 lakh, that is 5,000 rupees is a normal commission. Next we will move to the second one. The second one is a Dell credit commission. This commission is paid only on the credit sales. Only on credit sales. What does it mean? If the sale is done by this consignee on the credit basis, only on that amount the Dell credit commission is paid. Means, take the example, Dell credit commission is 10%. Total sales, take the example, total sales are 10 lakhs rupees. But from this, cash sales are 4 lakhs rupees. It means credit sales are only 6 lakhs rupees. Here, the Dell credit commission is paid only on the 6 lakhs rupees, not on the 10 lakhs. 6 lakhs rupees into 10% is the 60,000 rupees is the Dell credit commission will be paid by the consignor to the consignee. So 10% is the Dell credit commission. But tomorrow there is one condition. But tomorrow if this creditor, this is a credit sale, right? If this creditor becomes, credit sale in the sense debtor. This credit sale, that is a debtor, becomes bad debt. If it is becoming bad debt, then this person, this consignee only responsible for the bad debts, not the consignor. If the Dell credit commission is not paid, then consignor is responsible for the bad debts. If Dell credit commission is paid, consignee is responsible for the bad debts. Right. We will move to the next one, that is a special or overriding commission. What is a special or overriding commission? We will see. What is the meaning of overriding commission? I'll tell you. See, this consignor, while sending the goods to consignee, is said that you need to sell the product at 1 lakh rupee each. Means this is the invoice price 1 lakh rupee. But this consignee has sold at 1,50,000. Means how much extra is realized by the consignor? Consignee is 50,000 rupees. This is the extra. On this, the percentage is paid. That is a special commission, special or overriding commission. Take the example, this is 5%. So everything is remain same. Only on this 50,000